Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Next Way Trading. My name is Lester. Today, on this video, we are going to have a live trading session. Follow the signals with the binary stock app. So, let's roll with this video. Okay, guys, for this, I decided using my account with this new quoted binary options broker, and I decided taking the signals with the binary stock app. It's this one here, and telling me enter for a put with Euro USD. It's this one here. Enter for a put with Australian dollar and USD. And this one for a call with USD and CAD. We're gonna see how ending these trades, and I hope so make a few dollars with this binary stock app. If you see my previous video, I have a turbo strategy for binary options that I trade using moving numbers to configure my charts and have that nervous to know what is the good moment to trade, what is the good moment to enter. Well, in this case, it's different. It's different because I'm trading with this indicator for binary options that I created for you guys, for beginners, for newbies. This binary options indicator was launched 2 months ago, and today I feel so happy because our 2,000 people are using right now this indicator for binary options. That makes me feel so happy. Why? Because that means this fucking indicator works, really works. And right now I'm trading live with this turbo indicator for binary options. This is my indicator that I created, and after I'm gonna continue explain how to work, how to set up, how to need to install in your computer, and how you can find more information about this indicator. So on this moment we have 2 trades open and waiting to end these turbo signals that I received with this. Well, Lester, you receive a signal for a put. Why looks the green candle? Well, I'm gonna explain something here. With this broker, if I set up 15 minutes in 1 second, all the trades gonna take it's gonna be for 15 minutes in 1 second. So maybe for this, for me, it's a wrong decision trade for 15 minutes. I need to trade for 10 minutes only, but that is what was my decision. So right now I trading with this trade for a put with that signal. So maybe enter too late or for too long time. Not the signals are for 15 minutes. I received a good question and says, Lester, I received the signal, and the moment that I take it was the candle have 5 minutes around. So what I have to do, enter for only 10 minutes. That is my advice. I take it for only 10 minutes. Because it happened, like in this case, it's happened to me right now. So the last signals that I take it was Australian dollar and 2 Australian dollar, 1 I lost it, USD and Canadian dollar was in the morning. I have 3 in the morning around and waiting to end in this another signal for 4 minutes. It's gonna close in 4 minutes to have 4 signals. What is the binary stock app? Well, the binary stock app is this indicator right here that I use it in this moment, and this is how I'm gonna explain how you need to trade and take in these signals if you want to use it. Many of you using MT2. This MT2 is make this indicator full automated, but only works for IK options. So I tested it, I used it, and I see good results with IK option, but I don't trade too much right now with that broker. So I can explain on this. We receive the signal, we trade for 15 minutes, and we decide how to take it. For example, we receive the signal and we trade, follow these signals. It's simple like that, how it works this strategy. It's not 100% effective because doesn't exist something like that, but it's a good indicator for binary options. If you are searching something writable, good, something honest, regulator, this indicator is for you. Something for beginners, something for newbies, something if you don't have too much time to analyze the market, just waiting to alerts, this is for you. Have a simple rules. That is true. Don't trade, never trade if you have a volatile market. Never trade if you have triple news. Never trade if you don't have time to set up in your computer trading. I recommend you never trade with your cell phone, but if you want to use it, it's your decision. My advice is always take your time to analyze, sit down and trade, make money. This is a real business. Let's go to see how ended this in 1 minute. So I just waiting to see how ended this. Something that we need to analyze. Let's say the arrow appears like that, right there. This arrow, see, is this signal, But the alert was sent a few minutes before. So, if you see, I enter right here and waiting to see how ending. I hope so. Stay in the morning for me. I enter here on this candle for 15 minutes. This is 5-minute chart because I like to see it like that in 5 minutes. But I enter right here and right now just waiting to see how ending with this. So looks out the money. It's okay. I ended this trading session with $100 and 4 on profits. But this is how it works, this indicator. Okay, we receive the alerts, we trade for 15 minutes. And waiting to see how ending our trades, and I hope so stay in the money with this last signal that I received with the binary stock app. We receive another signal again, Euro USD for a put. I don't know, what do you think? We trade for 15 minutes. Let's go. Says for a put. This fucking indicator works so well, so if they say it's for a put, we're gonna trade for a put with this indicator. So, just like I mentioned before, this is an indicator created for binary options, and we receive the alerts, we trade, taking the signals, and simple like that. It's very simple to trade, right? So, this is the website for the binary stock app. This is how we are you can find this more information about this. The binary stock app is an turbo indicator created for binary options. Many of you want something like this, but if you search in the market, the price are $500, $300, and that is a lot, or something we don't know if it works, if it is writable or not. So I decided creating this binary stock app just for a low price of $34.99. And right now it's available on the market. And just like I mentioned before, 2,000 people right now are using this indicator for binary options. That for me makes me feel so happy, feel glad to know many of you trust in this indicator, and right now are using this indicator for binary options. So I'm trying to make it on this video, show you how it works, and just like I mentioned before, it's not 100% effective indicator, but I'm gonna trade with my live account. Right now I have $100, but I'm gonna increase this account to $1,000, and you're gonna see it on this channel. The process gonna take it, how much time gonna take it, increase my account $100 to $1,000 using only the binary stock app. It's possible. I don't know how much time. Maybe I hope so. Ending this month with $1,000. I hope so. Really hope so. Ending this month with $1,000. But we are gonna see how ending for us, for me on this channel, this challenge that I have right now. So I'm gonna cut this video because it's gonna be a long video. But you can find more information on the binary stock app with the link below on this video. I'm gonna share with you always the results. You're gonna see the results that I have right now. And on this week, I'm gonna record in another video with the live trades using the binary stock app and how ending for me and for you, for us, these signals, this live trading session. We see it right now with this new indicator for binary options. Just like I mentioned before, I feel so happy that 2,000 people are using right now this binary stock app. So I hope this video like it. Leave your comments. I'm gonna leave the link below on this video. And see you in the next week.